This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Try it on your own. Okay, so this is very similar to what we've already done. So I have one block on the workspace, yep, out of 7 that I can use. So it's wanting me to just use one of each direction, or at most one of the directions. I'm just going to start throwing down to test. So east and pick east, and I wonder how many east I have to go. So I'm actually not even going to pick. Let's test like this. You can always test code. You can always be wrong. I'm going to hit step. It's how I understand stuff. Okay, now I'm going to pick, yep, and then step. So 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps. So I would need one more step, okay? And then obviously I want to pick corn each time. So I'm going to drop one here, here, and here. Yeah. And then I'd probably want to start going south after that. This is a lot of blocks. Notice how much I'm over, but that's okay. We're just checking stuff out. East, pick, yep. Oop, what happened there? I missed corn. Okay, well, wait a minute. Before we go south, notice something? Whoop, 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 boop. I have the same code. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm repeating myself 5 times. So let's get rid of this. And instead, we can, of course, use a repeat block. It's already set to 5. So if I put code in here, drop it there, where's my south? I'm still going to have my south here. Let's test this out. And then south. Yep. Notice, once we do this repeat, right, we go east, we pick once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, it put it south because it will run code under it. So what do we need to do? We need to go south and pick. And I hope you're yelling at your computer saying, wait, it looks like we're going to repeat ourselves again. Yes. And notice now I'm also over, right? I'm going south and picking 3 times in a row, which would do it, but I was over the block count. So instead of doing this, we can just run another repeat block right under the first one. How many times do I want to do that? 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. And so now 5 times in a row, I go east and pick. Once it finishes, it drops below, just like before. And 3 times now, it will repeat this code. And that should do it. Repeats are super useful. Loops are used all the time in coding. But, we did it. Onward.